All right, so here's the next question asked for via email. We are to use linearity formulas and the power sum formulas to rewrite and then evaluate this sum. So linearity says that a sum of a sum can be broken up into two sums. So we can say that this is equal to the sum of k equal from 1 to 20 of the first term 2k plus the sum from k equals 1 to 20 of the constant 1. Okay, this one can be further broken up because you have a constant multiple, which means we can pull this outside through laws of linearity as well. So here we pull out the 2 and we have the sum of k equals 1 to 20 of k, which is the first order power sum, plus the sum from k equals 1 to 20 of 1. Okay, so this is your constant multiple. You're going to add 1 up 20 times. And the power sum for that is the sum from I equals 1 to n of the constant 1, or of any constant k, is equal to k times n. In our case, our constant is equal to 1, and our n is equal to 20. So this term right here is equal to 1 times 20, okay? And this right here, so the 2 is going to drop down. And this power sum is like what Gauss said and what I did in our last example. So we have the sum of I equal from 1 to n of I is equal to n times n plus 1 divided by 2. So in this case, again, n is equal to 20, and so, or k, and k is our power sum. These are, again, these are dummy variables, remember. I can use whatever variable I want as long as I'm iterating from 1 to 20, and the formula is still the same with respect to the variables. So this is going to be 2 times 20 times 21 divided by 2. So this is going to cancel, and you're left with 1 in the denominator and 1 out here. So you get 20 times 21, and that's equal to 420? I don't know. Plus 20. So this is, so what we have here is 20 times 21 plus 20. Both terms have a 20 in it. I can pull out 20 and multiply by 21 plus 1. And so that's 20 times 22, which is 44. So 440 is what this one would equal. And it all comes from linearity. So you can split here the terms into two separate summations. You can pull out a constant multiple, and then you have your first order power sum, and you have a constant that you're adding up n times, in this case 20. And so by evaluating, let's see, this was, let me close this parenthesis here, sorry. By evaluating these formulas, you come up with 440.